If you've ever purchased web hosting, you've probably seen two confusing terms, WHM and cPanel. Many beginners think they are the same, but in reality, they serve completely different purposes. In this video, I'll explain the difference in the simplest way possible. Let's start with cPanel. cPanel is a control panel designed for individual website owners. It allows you to manage everything related to your website without needing technical expertise. Inside cPanel, you can upload files, create email accounts, manage domains, install WordPress, and much more. Think of cPanel as your website's personal dashboard. For example, if you run a business website or blog, you'll log into cPanel to handle your website settings. You don't manage the entire server in just your own website environment. Now let's talk about WHM, which stands for Web Host Manager. WHM is an administrative control panel used to manage multiple cPanel accounts. It is typically used by hosting providers, server administrators, and reseller hosting users. WHM gives you server-level control, allowing you to create new cPanel accounts, allocate resources, set limits, and manage security. Imagine you're a reseller selling hosting packages. You would use WHM to create separate cPanel accounts for each client. Each client then manages their own website using cPanel. So the key difference is simple. WHM controls the server and manages accounts. cPanel controls individual websites. WHM is for administrators. cPanel is for website owners. One manages the server, the other manages the website. Now you know the difference between WHM and cPanel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech explanations.